It's December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such taxi lab with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. Porsche Macan GTS. We've done a few Cayennes over the last few years, but it's the first time I'm driving a Macan as far as I can remember. Haven't done a single one, let alone a GTS. So we've done already a lap, so the tires are nice and warm. Speaking of the tires, we're a Michelin Pilot Sport 4 SUV. I remember Michelin launched them, I think 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. Yeah, lots of influencers were, I think, in Portugal back then on a road trip to show how they perform on public roads. But it's more interesting to see how they perform on the Nürburgring. I think they perform really, really great because it was fantastic experience. The car is very dancey. You can oversteer. You would need a bit more power to make it continue with the drift, but it was fun. You'll see it yourself. Can you run us through the numbers, the specs, basically?
Specs, so 3 liter, 265 kilowatt in horsepower, I don't know.
So 350 or something?
Yeah, I think around that. Yeah, so turbo is just a little bit faster. Turbo has around 300 kilowatts, so this slightly less. Just 15 kilowatt more than Macan S, but I think the difference, like in terms of handling, in terms of everything, like it's two different cars, you know, like.
Yeah.
But besides the tires that you mentioned, everything else is stock. That's why I thought it would be interesting
Definitely.
for you how it came out of the factory, just to see. And
I loved it. I loved it. The handling great. The color is fantastic. I think camera does justice how good it is, how subtle yet different it is.
It's Aetna Blue is the color's name. I think this Porsche started making it 61.
Yeah.
1961, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's old color.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Anyway, we can talk for a while, but you guys enjoyed the lap. It was a great follow by, I think it was a M340 because I think it was a wagon. I don't remember, but yeah, it was some nice follow, and then also later with the E36. That yeah. Anyway, you'll watch it on the video. Thanks again for the lap.
Thanks
it's good fun. Hope you enjoyed, and you guys enjoy the lap.
I wouldn't even dream that this day would come, you know? Me at Nürburgring and me driving with Misha.
Oh, hope it's gonna see clapped. Hope it's gonna be, what's it called? I don't know. It's gonna justify our expectations or something. All right, let's try. Yeah, it depends. When it's an SUV, you should handle it. And what you felt on the second curb was suspension fully extending, because there's a hole in the curb, so it went fully out with the off-road mode. And then it hit the bump stop, not the bump stop, but extended the shock completely.
lighter than Cayenne.
Oh yeah. You also miss a lot of power at the same time,
Yeah.
so it's.
I think like turbo Macan, I think it should be way more clunky than GTS, like faster, but like a boat, you know.
Yellow flag.
Second one.
Nice BMW behind us drifting. rotational it is.
It rotates, yeah.
Yeah. It works very, very nice. Yeah, very cool, very cool. Too bad we don't have like a Vipperman picture because there was a truck in the way. But otherwise, yeah, impressed. Handling is really nice. It's for the handling, it's missing a bit of power. Like you, just tiny bit more would be really spot on. But even now, this was already yeah, good. It dances. You can dance with it nicely. Very nice. Thanks for the lap. Hope you had fun.
Man, checking my heartbeat.